Morning, guys. It's Friday again. Gonna be doing another kind of day in the lifestyle video here. Um, Headed to the bakery again here. Gonna grab a couple pastries for me and the wife, and then we'll head back home and start marking up the charts and get ready for the day. Package is secure. All right, guys, we did just get the charts marked up here. Got the levels and zones that I'm watching today sent out to the Discord group. Market just opened here. Just gonna be patient, see if we get any setups. There's nothing really jumping off the screens at me again today. I just feel like it's, this week's been weird. We've kind of had a different market sentiment this week. A lot of volatility came into the market, so definitely don't want to get caught on the wrong side of a move on Friday. So just gonna be extremely patient today and let things play out. But yeah, we did just get the newsletter sent out for the morning, and we'll see if we can catch a trade today. So I mentioned on the morning newsletter that we have some buyers down at 5470, which was this zone right here, and so far we are catching a really nice bounce out of that area. No entries for me, but that's just kind of what I was watching into open. Wasn't an immediate plan of action, so I didn't end up catching any entries, but seeing a nice reaction out of that area so far. All right, guys, so I'm about to hop on live voice here, see if we can catch a trade. It's currently about 10:30. Still no trades for me on the day. This action so far this morning has just been extremely choppy. So I'm about to hop on live voice with the Discord here and see if we can catch any trades. So we did just take a trade there on voice with the community. Ended up catching about 5 to 6 points. My best scale was 5 points. I'm gonna flip the camera over here and I'm gonna show you guys the trade that we took really quick. So I alerted on voice that I was going short at 54.83 right here on this wick. My risk was going to be above these previous highs. Just looking for a retracement back down to the bottom of this range. My first scale was around 54.80, and then I got out another contract around 54.78, I believe, about 5.5 points in profit. And then on the remaining third of my position, I was trailing stop, and I ended up getting stopped out around 54.81. So overall, about a 5+ point trade. I think we ended up catching about 6 points down here at the peak. Obviously, I didn't scale. My best scale was about 5.5 points, but a really nice execution there and trade management as well. Obviously, seeing that we are now moving back up, we got stopped out in profit. So, our worst contract was about 2 points in profit, which is about $100 per contract. So still, even though the worst contract got stopped out, it was in profit for $100. Just to show you guys the alerts over here, mentioned I was going short 54.83, stop loss put in, trimming a third at 54.80, trimming more at 54.78, and then I was stop break even, and obviously I was managing stop live on voice, and I mentioned that if we got back up to 54.81, that's where my stop was. I had managed at that point, so we did end up getting stopped out at that 54.81, which I was mentioning live on voice. All right, guys, calling it a day there on the charts. Headed to this new place here in town. It's a little acai bowl place. Gonna grab some lunch with the wife, and then I do have a haircut around 1:15. It's currently about 11:45, so I'm gonna grab some lunch and then head to my haircut. So I'll see you guys at the new lunch spot. One of the awesome things about trading, guys, is that, time is your most valuable asset. So like whenever you can be done for the day by, 11:30 is basically whenever I wrap things up. That's, that's the main goal of this profession is not sitting at the desk all day, right? Like that's not the point of it, is to sit and watch candlesticks move all day. You want to make your money, pull your money out of the market, and then be done for the day. So that's one of the awesome things about trading, obviously, is getting to do things like this, going to lunch with your family at 12, 1 o'clock in the middle of the day, and then we have the rest of our day to do whatever we want, right? Done for the day. So all right, guys, so we just finished up with lunch there. Now I have a haircut, gonna go knock that out, and then I'll probably see you guys after that haircut. So don't really know exactly what the plan is this afternoon yet, but we'll figure it out. Just got home, guys, got a fresh little fade. About to hop back on the computer here and go over the trade that I took earlier, do a little recap. I've been journaling all my trades in a shared document with everyone inside of the Discord community. That way they can kind of see my, my entries, my exits, and then my notes on why I took the trade, my emotions and thoughts during the trade, and kind of how I managed it. So we're gonna top into the charts here and recap the trade that I took earlier, and then I'm gonna work on editing this video that you guys are watching, just to show you guys what I was talking about whenever I mentioned the journal. So I started this on the 24th, I formatted this, and so since then I've been kind of noting why I took all my trades. Today we caught a 5-point short on ES, and I'm gonna put in my notes of kind of why I took it and all the reasoning and thought process behind it. But yeah, it's working on a really good month so far. I'll show you guys over here in the journal. We've captured about 61 points, 22 trades, 17 winners, 5 losers, about a 77% win rate. So pretty solid month so far, and looking to finish it strong. It's only the 26th, so we definitely have some time left in the month. I think we have about 3 days next week to trade. So definitely take advantage of those. But yeah, just gonna hop on the charts here, guys, and start, doing some recaps. It's about 5 o'clock, guys. Headed to Chipotle, picking up some bowls for dinner. I'll probably show you guys that food, but just gonna go pick up some dinner here, and then maybe potentially hit a little range session this afternoon. That's the plan. We'll see, make sure we have time to fit it in, but that is the plan for now. So I'm headed to Chipotle, and I'll see you guys there, pick up the food. Yes, sir. These look absolutely incredible. Alright guys, gonna wrap up the video here. I was gonna go to the driving range, but time kind of got away from me, so just going on a little walk with the family here. Gonna call it an afternoon, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.